Welcome. Today, let's walk through the steps to allow comments only from people or pages you mention on your Facebook page cover photo, using the Facebook app on your PC with the latest update. If you've been looking for more control over who can interact with your posts, this update is for you. Here's how you can easily adjust your settings in just a few minutes. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're on the home page, look to the top of the page and click your profile photo. This takes you directly to your profile section. From here, it's time to access your page. If you manage several pages, pick the one you want to update. Once you're inside your desired Facebook page, find your cover photo at the top. Click directly on the cover photo to open more options. You'll notice a small menu appears, and underneath the cover photo, there's an icon with 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Who Can Comment on Your Post. This is where you can decide who's allowed to leave comments on your cover photo post. Now, several options will show up. To allow comments only from specific people or pages you mention, choose the setting called Profiles and Pages You Mention. This ensures that only those you tag in your post will be able to comment, giving you more privacy and control over the conversation. After you've made your selection, finish up by clicking Done. That's it. Your changes are saved instantly. This feature can help cut down on unwanted comments and keep discussions more relevant to the people and pages you want to hear from. It's a great way to create a friendlier and more focused environment on your page. If you found this step-by-step guide useful, let us know in the comments below and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media profiles.